everyone, welcome to my kitchen. Now we will make our special snack, caramel popcorn. Let's cook the popcorn first. To make the popcorn, we only need butter and corn kernels. First, put the butter and the corn kernels into a large pan. Then, close the pan and heat the stove. Cook on low heat and shake the pan a little so the corn kernels evenly covered with butter. Wait until all the corn kernels starts to pop. And tips to make a crunchy popcorn and not soggy, let the lid slightly open so the air can come out. When it's done, move the popcorn into a baking sheet or a flat plate so they don't get moist. Secondly, we need to make the caramel sauce. For the caramel sauce, we only need two ingredients, butter and palm sugar. Heat the butter on low heat and pour the palm sugar little by little. Stir until it melts evenly and becomes caramel with a thick consistency. While waiting for the sauce to be ready, move the popcorn to a large bowl to make it easy to stir. If the caramel sauce is ready, when it's still hot, pour the caramel sauce over the popcorn, stir well, make sure the caramel are spread evenly. Actually, this is ready to be served, but when it tastes too sticky, we can make it less sticky by baking them on a baking sheet on oil paper. Put the tray into a heated oven, set for 120 degrees Celsius, bake for 5 to 10 minutes. Let the popcorn cool, then we can serve it. Our caramel popcorn is ready to eat. Try this at home and stay at home. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you and good luck.